Good news, cracking your knuckles won't give you arthritis. But what's actually happening is kind of wild. When you crack a knuckle, you're creating tiny gas bubbles in the fluid between your joints. And when those bubbles collapse, that's the pop you hear. Scientists use high-speed cameras and discovered it's the same physical phenomenon that literally damages boat propellers. It's called cavitation. Here's the weird part. You can't crack the same knuckle twice in a row. You have to wait like 20 minutes because that's how long it takes for the gas to dissolve back into your joint fluid and reset. So basically, every time you crack your knuckles, you're creating microscopic explosions in your hands using the same force that destroys metal underwater. Your joints are just built different.